Checking out this high quality pipe. Comes in a really nice box. It's sealed. Let's go ahead and open it up there. And it comes out of the box. How cool is that? It's in a nice presentation case. Looks like we have some accessories here. Got a message from Joyoldelf. How to take care of the pipe. Got a package here with some accessories. Looks like we got a whole bunch of stuff here. We have some different screens for the pipe. We've got some tools to use, and we've got some cork. Interesting. Now let's take a look at the pipe. This is a really neat one with a long stem, nice mouthpiece, good curve to it, solid wood bowl. There's some carving on that bowl. Very nice. Comes in this really nice presentation box if you're going to be gifting this. With the long thing here, it's great for people with beards. Now they can get their pipe out in front of their beard, or I guess people with bellies. Let's go ahead and test this one out. We'll put a screen in there to help with cleaning and keeping it clean. We'll put in some non-tobacco. It has a really good draw, and it's a very long pipe, so it's very cool. This is going to be a lot of fun to smoke with. I want to thank Joyoldelf for sending us this one to check out. I really hope this helps.